That's the craziest shit I've ever seen. Yeah, they're gonna attack her. You better make sure she can fly first.
That don't work. It's running.
Should we go inspect her first? Make sure she can. Yeah, because they are in attack mode. Oh, let's see how she does. Might need to get her a box and let her kind of unpanic.
Oh, that bitch is broke, Jenny.
I'll get her. Don't let her go then.
Yeah, come here, girl.
Oh shit! Come.
Go. Come here, girl.
We're gonna have to put her. I can call Beak.
That bitch is broke, though.
I can call the bird rescue place.
Beak doesn't exist anymore.
Oh.
Come here. Come here.
All right.